All right, what are we doing today? I don't really know. I don't have a game plan. I have an idea. Rachel needs a ornament tree for her craft show so that way we could display it. So, it's up here. I just got to get it here, and I want you just to follow along. Let's see what I can come up with. All right, here we have it. We got a box. That's gonna be the base. Drilled out an actual 3/4 of an inch hole, 1/2 inch PVC pipe, put an end cap on it, slid it through, and there we have it. That's the beginning of our Christmas tree. Let's see where else we could go with this. Again, making it up as I go. I have no idea. All right, here's my creation. What was up here is now here. I went ahead and I actually took a Sharpie and I basically marked out all around where holes will be drilled. So that way I could thread a wire in and then Rachel could hang her ornaments from. All right, so what was in my mind is now here. Basically built the base, PVC pipe coming up, was able to cut the PVC pipe on each tier at a different level, and that kind of resembles a Christmas tree if you look at it in a circle. So we're not gonna actually glue them, so that way I can disassemble it and then store it easily. But I'll make sure that it's a little bit more stiff for it, and then we're gonna drill some spots in each tier, and then we're gonna put some wire through it too, so that way we could go ahead and hang ornaments from it.